Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to disable parental controls on Samsung phone. Now if you want to disable the parental controls which has been enabled by your parents but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you need to open settings on a device, and this is the page where you'll see the option of connection, connected device and all of it. So scroll down until you see the option of digital well-being and parental controls. So open the option of digital well-being and parental controls, and at the very bottom if you scroll down you'll see the option of parental controls. So if it is turned on, then here you'll see the option of switch account or turn off. So you just need to simply tap on the option of switch account or turn off, and you just need to follow the on-screen steps which will be given from the Samsung or the Google account itself. So by doing all of it, you need to enter the pin or the password which you have set earlier to turn it off completely. So make sure that you just know the pin or the password for your account to disable it. So that's it. That's how you can disable the parental control on a Samsung phone. Thank you.